I didn't wear any eyeshadow today, and I'm so glad because I checked my mail and look, Coffee Beauty sent me 2 new shades that have not even dropped yet. The first color is Sona. Oh my gosh, I think that's what I'm gonna have to wear today, looking at my hair and my jewelry and everything. Oh my goodness. What? These are cream to powder finish, and it turns immediately to a powder. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. You know, coffee is a South Asian makeup, so it's really great on brown skin. This is Plum Pataka. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at it even on my skin graft. That is so textured. This is a great everyday neutral, and this is a bada bing, bada boom. Look at the plum with my ring. Oh, I'm so excited. Here we go. I'm going in with the Sona. I'm just going to go in with a brush and lightly tap it. And I'm just going to swab some, get just some on the brush. It's a cream, very easy to use. Oh my gosh. This is such a pretty look when you know, you're not trying to do too much, but you are trying to do too much. Oh, that changes everything. I wish I'd had that on all day. It's crease proof also, so if you just bring it up just a little bit over, if you have any kind of hood, come up a little bit over it just to give yourself, your eye a little lift. Eyeshadow always looks better up high to me on my mature face. That is gorgeous. Look at the difference that made. Beautiful. Sona, Plum Pataka. Thank you, Coffee Beauty. I am obsessed. These will drop on August 30th, so get your Zari eyes. I love y'all, and I'm so blessed to be able to do things like this. Can't believe it. Remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.